Ada,
Only very idiot only very stupid idiot
old woman
am I here
young now
idiot
only very your camera one on your camera let me see you on your camera let me see you
Chineke gbakwa gị ọkụ ị na-apụta ịkpa nne gị nwe respect onye ọbụla hụrụ gị gwa okwu ene ha are you okay?
As old as how to Google can na TikTok.
No, it is old.
Can you have sense? Can you have sense?
You have respect for elders. Chineke gbakwa gị ọkụ. Who is that to Google na-agba m okwu ya? What to Google?
Auntie 50 something years.
Who is that to Google na-agba m okwu ya?
Only very from nowhere every time you
on TikTok to have side. Ondo to gị ndị nyere eme.
It's yours.
Ndị otu gị achawo ibe gị
I mute so for what now? Who are you?
Achawo ibe gị ndị ga-agwa okwu.
Only very big. I'm not going to you such
ndị agọbala Chineke gbakwa gị ọkụ idiot nna ga-alụ dịka gị o tulerekwe nne gị ihe representary bastard lady idiot nwụrụ anwụ ụnụ ndị bịara na TikTok ịchọ coin idiot were eziokwu tiga n'ime mkpa afọ iwere atụtụ gị na yo na-agbara ya shawo na TikTok echi na ọ bụ ga-meji ya metụ n'ọhịa idiot
agadi nwanyi dị ka you cannot respect yourself. Call this idiot. I don't want to use that kind of statement. Not in heaven on.
Why they call him
baby? Agadi nwanyi dị ka you make sense. Only beribe. Ọkwa gị ka asa na
unu bịara ya achọ kọnse were ọtụ unu eme nyere ere
na-ewute gị n'akwa
idiot onye bewa akwa idiot come on catch us idiot
who are you only be woman na-enwe sense
inwere sense gị nọrọ here
you're supposed to be a role model to a whole lot of people na TikTok.
Inwere sense nọ na company gị inwere sense gaa nọ na TikTok arịọ coin inwere sense gaa nọ na TikTok kwụ n'ụzọ
akpa akpụ mepe kamera
mba inwere sense ịrịmere ya oche nọ and your sense is over gị like this your sense is so beautiful and you are like this
onye camera down camera down again or
that's what you do that's your fucking business
agadi nwanyi dịka I don't want to get money I'm okay to get law agadi nwanyi
just support you because who ndị nyere
two no sense
that's why you support
camera get
Chineke gbakwa
agadi nwanyi nwata ka iji 10 years ụtọ ka ije lụọ dowe n'ụlọ
bastard
bastard
dalụkwana nke gị nwee dị gaa na-ezuzu arịarịarị
a na-ekwu ka ga-esi ebi na-asị mmadụ ya na-asị ihe papi bie mute papi mute na community
papi ọwọtụ nne gị papi ọwọtụ nne gị
nwaanyị iberibe
papi ọwọtụ nne gị
ọtụ ejule gị isi agadi nwaanyị dịka gị very nonsense woman filter na-anọ
idiot nwụrụ anwụ
ọnụ gị na-eti ọnụ gị filter
jee mepee your own ka mụ na gị chepụ ya ndị na-achọ kọịsị na TikTok.
Gị na onye na mina agadi nwaanyị ebiri ma ọmị na apịrị gịnị. Ị na-ebiri ma ọmị ma agadi nwaanyị ebiri ma ọmị mina ebiri ma ọmị ma ị na-apịrị gịnị.
TikTok na-enye gị
mina ebiri ma ọmị ma ị na-apịrị gịnị.
Chineke
kọtara eji emepere ebiri ma ọmị platform. Agadi nwaanyị bebi.
Inwe respect for
agadi nwaanyị bebi.
Ebe nwe ebiri ma ọmị.
Mọmị na-enwe sense. All your talk no pass out to an am olórí idiot.
If you have respect for your mother, you got to remember your mother.
Filter na onoge. Your mouth, silly adults. Silly adults. Silly adults. Madu na-ekwu ka ga-eshi ebi isi gasị emechi ọnụ gị. Ezi.
Onye dị mmadụ na-ekwu ụka. Nne gị na nna gị ezi.
Bastard afọ saburu idiot.
Ihe niile representịrị ezi.
Bastard afọ saburu.
Idiot nwụrụ anwụ na-enwe sọ
ya kwa gị. Idiot. Next time, na platform na be okwu ọzọ. Next time, let me see you here to come and talk.
Let me
see you next time. Let me see you come here to talk any nonsense again.
They don't born you well, idiot.
Don't send the bastard woman after saburu. I'm a moderator. I'm a moderator, but I will not bring you down. When I say I'm moderator, I cannot bring you down. That's why I don't want to bring you down. Sense. Thunder fire kwa stupid
that's
woman.
why you support useless
you
support useless because it support Rutu. Mmeto telegima do ya fanfa make ya di ya
lela nwanyi lesbian nwanyi na-ahụ aka nwanyi ibe gị na-achọ nwanyi na-ahụ aka nwanyi wọbido onwe ya n'aka ọ wotile nwanyi ibe gị ka ị na-achọ
nwanyi ọla zuzuru
akara ogo dị ka
if respect ike gị kwesị ụlọ
bastard woman as a woman unu na-emega nonsense. Nonsense when you shape shut up your silly mouth. Silly stupid woman.
Come on, Zuzuru.
Silly stupid woman. Then we respect.
Idiot.
In a church, Give me talk. Don't say no. Oti no na anti bebe get with a sweet girl let take am. Get with a sweet girl let take am. You must be stupid. Cheleman na treasure box for some treasure box.
Ndị sweet girl pụta.
Sweet girl take am kiss you with up. Come on, go to my page and see me idiots. Very silly, stupid adults. Nonsense. As old as you are, you cannot respect yourself. You come on TikTok. You come on TikTok to expose to bring out your dirtiness outside there. Look at you. Keep the nonsense
what you put in your status shows what you are.
Stupid woman. I'm a sweet girl. It's so that your nonsense nails. That your nonsense nails. That your shrinks hand in a post. In a shiny, the quack is my hand. Shut up, let me talk. Oh, yeah, shut up, let me talk. In a shiny, I can't one. He said, I can't it's yours. Look at my fresh hand. Look at my fresh finger. Look at my fresh finger. It's yours.
Useless people, idiots.
Onye agadi nwanyị baby idiot.
Ndị otu nyere.
Lefe draft it na deep draft. Efe draft t-shirt draft ishi na DP. Efe draft it na onye iberibe. Oh mute or mute. Thunder fire kwa gị na onye na-achị ọchị ezure. Ezure gị na onye na-achịkwa n'ọchị. Nwanyị ezure.
onye nka mma akọọla m ọlụ
onye
ọ sị na m bi efe draft
na-efe draft
nne gị efe draft wichi mmadụ nwere ụdịrị ka ahụ
polo draft
just to shigodi me your mother ka m si my mother ka ihe onye na-ekwu okwu ọ na-agamata onye yi draft ọ wụ ichesere aka ụmụaka nna ha wụha ga-edowe aka ga-esela lele ka aka were n'ime ọtụ weta your face o time to draft na weta dị ofu uwe gị so nọrọ here wepụ aka nwatakịrị ibe gị were tiga na your status wepụ aka nwatakịrị ibe gị tira na your status wepụta onwe gị wepụta ofu onwe gị tiga dị idiot nwụrụ anwụ ka m jirila akaụntụ mbata ya ka m gbere gị movie ka m jirila ihe backup account mo this is my backup account ka m jirila akaụntụ mbata ka m gbere ka ịhụ picture ka ịhụ nwa ka ịhụ even at my age it is too small Hey, Chineke. Ozo. Ihe na-eme na peji. Chineke gbakwago.
Ị ga-agbasa ga-ahụ isi agaghị m abịala agaghị m Biko,
Sarah, don't say that. I know they go na this boss. Onye ọbụla nọ here. Akaji akụbira na-agbaga bazuzu okwu. Bazuzu na-emere explain ihe mere. So Papi and Peter was talking. Papi gị na Peter mechiekwana ụnụ ọnụ. Ka mmadụ kwuo okwu. Ọwụ onye ọbụla kwugo okwu. Nwa onye kwugo okwu if everybody is talking. And that was it. Papi emutu onwe ya, I understand. I never insulted him. This guy is from nowhere but tell you, who is this person na command the Papi? Like, o nwere crazy n'ishi ya ka ogene. Like you nwere crazy n'ishi gị ịpụta kwuo okwu like that. Enwere gbaye? Onye mụrụ mama gị?
Peter Koye. Peter Koye, brother.
Bebe.
Brother, let's get it. Peter, from the side.
Oh, this is your Peter from the side.
Peter from the side. Alicia Chede. Peter from the side and credit na this steady flash account logos.
No, I want to Giagari. I'm an Giagari. You got like a 10 bag here for God. I want to it was Macaide. Who do Macaide? I got people on Facebook. I know that team. I don't need to try.
I didn't even know you were.
Yemen had a Yemen, listen. Yemen had a Yemen had a I know ever the go gauge. So when I did the badge, I don't know why you Peter, we really what even him here. I look at them in Tada. No.
Okay? Water, because I know no nkịtị onye ọla na-ekpochiarị men. Elu dị nonsense ụkwanụ ka ahụ.
Onye kwere ihe na-esekwe n'aba in the first place.
Enweghị m
misunderstanding. Ugonna aja. Ugonna aja na-apụzi n'okwu a. All misunderstanding because you have.
No, but you know yana. Ele ihe mere titi.
Yeah.
Ugo bebe onye ama junior biko.
Ugo bebe na-apụzi n'okwu a.
Ugo bebe biko. Ugo bebe ameghe gị lion. Ngwa hapụ nwanne m.
Ugo bebe na-emeghe gị na-ekwu okwu ya na-eme. Na-emeghe gị na-ekwu okwu.
No, but Peter, achọ m egwu egwuregwu ahụ.
Because
why would you get come and give it a minute?
Yeah.
Ele mere ya. Aka buzuzu na eme aka da test what happened.
Ugo bebe you make mistake. Ugo bebe chere. Ugo bebe chere. Genti. Ugo bebe na aja genti. onwe guideline na what the here and this black app and it what
all my own.
Oh, exactly.
That's my own.
That's what you see, I'm new to alone.
Ugo Benaja.
But no, I lie. A lot. A good guy there.
Available now. Every day by person. Buzo say I mean Ugo Benaja boss.
Because Ola Adabiko now is okay.
Mr. Bamda Lion, I'm happier.
No, Ola. Ugo.
They went through Zola with a car.
Ebutola Daniel. Ebutola Daniel.
No. The thing is that I don't like a party for no I don't like it. And you are working.
Gini karigo one.
Mr. P. Emma injure somewhere we go to Benata cool down. But I want a bed. You got to get in and go get
one day, one day, get out.
So, when dog are
I don't like him.
Same sorry.
I like him. Give my gas for the top on that. I don't like it. It just will be a barrier for nothing. I don't like it.
About if you no, you don't have no, you cannot come where men are talking. I've been here. I said it with an authoritative voice.
No, that is my voice. That is my voice.
You have to manage. You have to know like that.
Even Papi Maria.
You have not paid your dues. That is my voice. If you have paid your dues, then you can use your voice. You have to manage your voice.
To me before I get
you have to see. You have to manage your voice. When you come to this community, manage your voice. You've not paid the dues to use such voice. No, if you pay the dues to the whole community before you can use such voice. Okay, that's good. I'm a sending.
I'm taking cooking and cooking in a juice.
Have you seen me?
I'm by the tackle room now.
Jesus Christ. I won't anti-fatty bobo. I won't fatty bombo. Have you seen me? I'm 5'11".
5 guinea.
5'11". Go Benaja.
Church in a didn't tackle now. You know, my height.
Good one on you.
Giant.
Okay, Benaja, I'm in the comment section. You never quite like Igbo.
Na apụ ndara ana m ele ndị a na ịkpachi gị na ọnụ na ihu anya ị ga na-ele comment section now.
Okay.
Of course, elu ụwa wee nwere ndị like.
What did you mean na-ekwu okwu ị na-ere anya ị ga-eme system. Ị na-ere anya eme system onye idiri.
The thing is that ilewe anya ebe a ị ga-ama na enwere ndị like nwe ndị hate gị, so the best thing for you ignore them ihe na-eme imechazie gị ịgụwa ma ịchọ.
Ịgwazie
ma ịchọ. Anya no na here for how many years? It's Anya I'm at this stage.
No, on Facebook, no, on TikTok.
Facebook and TikTok hear each other.
Stone, thank you, my love. I agree to you. Zara, thank you. Sim, sorry. I'm accepting apology right now. Kanda na ekwu okwu ihere mee ha.
But don't want to get onye ada ofenye na adi ya ofenye na ada 3,000 something.
Anụ m America.
Okay, I'm na buzozi hụ ya. Ọ dị ihe ghọtara buzozo. Buzozo dị ihe ghọtara.
Gịnị ka unu na-aghọta?
got what I have for mommy.
Asa.
Oh
yeah, say sorry.
I got say sorry first.
No, you have to. You started it. You started it. You started it. And the way you even approach me is wrong. You started it.
I'm sorry first.
No, you started it. It's only one year and I say papi short. That comment alone is odd.
Statement? Is that the wrong statement?
Yeah, that's the statement. You started it. That was
you understand that, yes, you understand that British burger, you understand. This is my guy.
Oh, not the British burger.
Stone the wole be go the apple. Stone.
Assassin, sorry.
Wow. Mommy have to pan him.
No, he got
that's there sorry. Zidane sorry.
Yeah, mom gives. Yeah, mom gives. Man, say sorry. You can't come.
Sorry.
Okay, can he gift? Okay, he gift. Okay,
comment section, say sorry. Let me see comment section.
Okay, what are you know that we are? Okay,
comment section, say sorry.
Stone in America. Stone and America na 5 and 6.
No good.
Hi,
for you.
But we say I'm sorry, man. You talk say one your neighbor le first.
Are you going to get America? You need to
okay.
Let me stone in America.
5 and 6. So like this in America, no.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Since my one
I'm sorry.
I'm lying first.
That's a black one for here. Say sorry. He got sorry. One atorongatono 8. Two amoro me. 3 I can get ma. 4 him aparama. 5 people under fire quiet. Under fire quiet. Yeah, backup account. Don't you know on a level 13?
Quara stuff. I just ban a page again now.
Yeah, just backup account. I na koro again now. Everybody 3 months to me pay ya.
Ebukwe dada. No so.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm account mo na.
One dem on here na ghọta na ụmụ nwaanyị a na. Ha ekpego ka udo mana ha na igo na-eme ha ka onye ga-ebuza asị bịa sorry.
Onye nna abụ. Onye nna abụ.
Sorry, mommy.
Okay, I'm going to give those books.
Sorry, my love. I love you for saying this.
I love you, mommy.
It's okay. I love from me. I made Chanye way. Okay, do not buy me man or Kanye Bikono.
What get on as we make Uno?
But me man or Kanye Bikono. I got one or Kanye, me one or Kanye.
If you decide not chugging. Because if you listen to Bugo there, I think I can't.
If you listen, what? Hey, I'm going to Canada. You know that even.
It's a good over here, me Peter.
Bozo, I'm going to ever.
If you're not here,
Bozo,
I'm not here now.
But I think
I told you my team
Mommy, Cynthia, Mama, can you go? I like for my shower from my sister or Pico. See, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, Puga.
I'm more curious. But Peter Cherebico can
because you are not because
I'm Peter now. It's Mommy Cynthia because I like him. You young girl do time now. Boy, I shower. Dear man now. It's not good.
But you know, corporal, me go for a corporal.
But I'm going to shower now. If I see a sorry, go there and shower here.
But you know, corporal,
can't go for a
group.
Of course, you agree when we go away.
Then what Gamonte? Mona, yes, settle all okay. I'm a good one. Whatever I do, I said, oh, but I must see a sudden I'm love for you. That is what I said. So, on your life, you have another thing now. It's only maybe to get another problem. And now, you won't have Lama.
Touch one, touch me. I don't like it. Only my shower.
You get baby, I go Sarah.
Oh, Sarah. Sarah,
mommy, my shower. I like him.
I didn't want you to wash shower.
No, I take a step to that. No.
But you only pinpoint
never. I will never accept it. All women in a wash shower for a living. Don't say one in a wash shower.
It's an easy idea, bad idea, political idea.
No. Can't give me wine in that. No, I like him.
No, it's your idea for me, and no, maybe in a wash show because I'm not. No, don't do that. Please. But you have me who has our baggage or give away as
no. Mommy, I don't miss why I was shower.
One day in our shower.
Now, Jiroma.
In our shower.
Mommy, chere go to mommy. Mommy,
auntie.
For you,
in our shower.
Good. Jiroma. Why you that we are quick to call our fellow women and shower?
In our shower.
I like him, yeah.
But I like in our shower now.
I like him. I like him.
Jiroma. But in our shower.
I wouldn't know what don't.
Are you Akuna?
Can we? But I like it, man, because don't.
No, I think in our Akuna.
I want to know, but so why you put the my sister.
I like sister. Sister.
You went sister because the cake is up one mother. I
sister. You sister. Always correct your sister what to say.
Yes, but
right didn't call why you can get away you.
Okay.
Because that's the amount I drop. What you go for no.
Now over.
onweghị ihe nwaanyị a mere Adaugo nọkọta bịa chọrọ ya okwu gwawa ya okwu ọjọọ and it's not good. I need to call Adaugo out now. This kind of Ugo bebe genti ya.
Thank God, my sister. Ugo
bebe genti. Ugo bebe onye ga bogote ko.
My sister no kwa ya.
Onye ga bogote ko.
Bogote no wane gwa ka ngwa
No, you abeg ga koro akwa ga ebe ya sare.
Anyway, look now. I don't get message.
Okay, they are trying to welcome me. You are to welcome. Oh, sure, again. Let me read it for you. Headquarters.
Who to welcome you?
Panic. I full ground anytime, any moment.
Mommy, who to welcome you?
Any moment.
Mommy, now who go welcome you?
You have to welcome me now.
Peter Ugo bebe na dey.
Peter Nkaki na no ina sawasi no this morning. Yo mo make
program. Ugo Peter mi toro mo anya.
No go ka ko Peter Nkaki no mo make.
I want to maybe go there go. Oh, give that.
Peter mi toro ha o mi o mo anya ti no tena Ugo bebe ta.
Go ara ka mi
I told him who is in that body.
Okay.
Oh, the body now knock 247.
Over.
Body now knock 247. I need never na akutanya George Bezie ka ha ga. Enwe ihe Megan. Call about
You're understanding this.
Because
okay, that's still. Okay.
Ada. Oh, I can't get another baby. I want to hear Nina. I want to check it. Do that. Do
your face. I
guess no one book. I don't know my voice anymore. So I'm leave me alone.
People to
Thank you, my madam. Thank you so much. I love you.
We are one. We are one.
My dinner. I want to have the same wine. Is it not the wine? I love the wine. Thank you so much for listening. I don't know you can wine.
Anything for this.
You know what all this young girl do? If it's on before my age, I do go with my kid sister. I'm from the same village. I'm telling you guys now. I'm from the same village. Oh, but I got one. Headquarter for a reason. On your day, I do my best headquarter from today.
Nothing like that.
No, mommy.
Which Empress, right?
Mommy,
to advertiser her show. I do give me 1 minute because good afternoon everybody. Happy weekend. So tomorrow is Queens in the Kitchen. Tomorrow is Queens in the Kitchen. Sorry, my cherish, please, will you give me a photo?
Please, I may waste the time. We don't waste.
I'm doing now. We now focus. Makwasi Empress was secretary of this saga community. I do go in my mood too. Thank you. I've made it. So yes, tomorrow we Queens in the Kitchen. I wear Umowaya Sa. Graduation read tomorrow. We could be a support on her tomorrow from 4 p.m. Nigerian and UK time.
It's going to be filled with fun and laughter, and see our lovely ladies cooking in the kitchen, doing what they know how to do best. Doing what they know how to do.
Right.
So yes, Queens in the Kitchen tomorrow, 4 p.m. on my main platform. For those that don't know, it's Empress Her Body. So thank you very much. Thank you. So
na mama imo nke asef I ga-ekwu n'okwu ọfụma nnọọ ka ekwe nke ị na-ekwuzi n'imi
Mommy give the test na platform ọkwa
ke ọ na the test gbara ya kpọ
Ay, Chineke bozo ihe zụka ya ahụ amen eso work.
Empress Okuchala anọ m na call Okuchala.
Okay, what don't you cook? I was also
As who drop Empress as drop Empress said that when you drop Fania Empress sorry. I'm the Empress. Let's moderator. Only would have used this moderator.
Please, I just be dropping somebody here.
I'm secretary of this platform.
No, that is wrong. You don't drop somebody while the person.
I'm talking so. Advertisement ever. Sorry.
That's my job. I want you wearing
Empress, can you hear the show? What is the show all about? Yeah, we're putting in the kitchen. Not that we she share no that. Empress, hold on. If Empress, hold on before you she show, but so do the try. 2 weeks back, when you show. So 2 weeks back, we had Kings in the kitchen. You want to go? So after that magnificent episode of Kings in the Kitchen, that's my friend also Jakusi. Petit fried rice, man. I greet you people. Yes. Hold on, let me land. So I do go in the Kings in the Kitchen. My friend also Jaco, also won't be Igbo. The PhD chef. Also, petit fried rice, man. Also, cooker of the cookless. There are the president 001 Bososo Chibosa. We say that black soup, no for Nubu. You got to go black soup in the video. I couldn't eat him, no, by him, man. I know you have too much water. You got to go. I want high water. Manomo is okay, and he may have been like, and whom walk it that way. When you can only can. Only time you do more touch, and I may get one. And look, so, hey, everyone walk by another sprout. Perry did something amazing. You gotta go. Dwayne make something amazing. You gotta go. So can I tell you how you need the amazing? In fact, that's you hear wine and I say, oh, Papi, are you single? Because for Papi, no. As in, you need your for Papi. I met to get cake and shut up your mouth. We go baby. I'm part of this show. You gotta go.
Okay.
So mana why when say I say mana ha ga kusuru bu okay. Pusos in particular it was a show for Dubu. My PhD holder, my friend and my brother, it was a jollof rice, petit jollof rice. So because I got boss gonna Empress tomorrow. Even Empress Raji, but or Akata UK. She speaks softly and nicely. Or they think is that the ammonia with the silver a golden spoon. Or the like ammonia with the golden spoon. Or the like a Christmas. Ndan it's Niger Ninja. Ndan it's too much. You gotta go. So or too much. So because tomorrow evening, 4 p.m. Nigerian time, UK time. Canadian times, I think it's 6 Canadian time. Let's all gather in Empress's platform. You have the likes of, there are beautiful ladies in the kitchen that day. You've got Chioma, you've got Fanny, you've got Bella, you've got, there's too many beautiful.
You have
Chioma,
you have Chioma, you have Sweet IJ, you have Agami, Maka, Oninechi, Ofunwa, and Mama Sita. So those are the 7 women
Bella
that will be cooking tomorrow. She has.
Bella opted out?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's not. But also happen on Bebe Million because
tomorrow. I'm not going to follow that TikTok on that TV. Balance your that. This is the house.
This is the day in white. The day is very
I'm on back, girl. Yes. Yeah, all life got an stream. I'll go, baby. All life.
Okay.
All life.
Good one.
And Ugo Bebe, after this, that's another one that might fall into your category. It's called Mamas in the Kitchen. We're looking at either you or okay.
Offer 200,000.
Are you done?
Are
you done? Tomorrow. Yes, I'm done. Thank you.
Yes,
okay, mommy. Please,
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Akune, please, just share
don't worry. Me and
speak.
my sister Cynthia will come.
She has been coming up and she has been going up. Sherry, I think Sherry. My Sherry. Yeah.
Ibu one mood work on my longest time.
Go tell no Sherry, please.
Ibu really wants to say something.
Ibu Cheleme send the like invite, so you are saying.
Ibu na boss on.
My
mute button here.
Ibu.
Okay.
Ibu never na.
Get away.
I want my own. Okay. Take a break. Bozozo, Odiri mmadụ Adug, Adum so Adug go chop go do di. Ọ ya asọgbu n'ọnụ.
Because Kelly na-achụgharị m kemgbe Kelly since how many days na-achụgharịzi m chụwa m
ndị family member ga network ha dịkwa mma unu chere ka Cherry kwutukwa n'okwu nke ọya ọrụ
evil elder na-achụgharị m
Buzuzu
na family m ka network ha
family enwe network unu chere ka Cherry kwukwa na ihe ọya ọrụ unu
biko no yes o tee n'ọjọọ
Cherry kwuo nwanyị ọma
Buzuzu good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon, you're welcome. Sorry. Okay. I got Buzuzu. Me more very well and feeling. I do go much on your wall. That's what I hope face to face. I know Papa Court. So I'm only most later. Although, I'm Ogra. I won't make my sister come close. I won't make myself. So, just 2 months. Shop ahụ.
You mean again?
I know na Abacha shop. So the man abịa because of government here ha make askata Abacha shop. So the man is okay, kama ị ga-adress stranded ka ọ rụọ block shop. Ya rụzie block shop ahụ. Sizi ya high price. So that 2 months, I mean when a little people need them like 100,000. So always 2 years ga. The man now 1 year. So only 2 years. I say a month is 20,000. So that 2 years is about 4 something. So the platform even the person cannot complete them on Nigeria and also Jiha or they done well. So when the borrows in the OP 200,000, which I have to pay 300 and something for instruments. So Hajim no lotong bagagi and music and the more money gaga, the more interesting and the more. So and the yawun of one here my sister up by Berea 2025. Think I got me now and we go. But Hajim no lundo pay. But I'm a people and I'm music. Because country. I will not know yes, I'm not because of the money. Yes, online can borrow. Okay. Oh, online can borrow, yeah, yes. Online can borrow, yeah. Yes, because my BVN and everything the moment, yeah. So what can happen? If you have one and happy to mark what I'm going music, everybody shop may pineapple in her account also for streets very many in my head because it's one I think you have more okay hits name so the thing you get most
the global picture guy back on what there by camera can so good to be I'm going to be back way back.
I began my call to quick music.
This is how you go
300 and something. I mean, 200. So, instrument, interest, 100 and something. You go shop. Okay, now
that is too high.
What is too high? Because on the one guy, Ophonia will keep them now. What's up, mega shit?
What about too much?
Where will be on hand on network okay, yeah.
Okay.
Because as the magazine Igbo and help did you
Are you married? Or some girl, are you married?
No, I'm not married. No, but then when I'm not married because I was saying I can't look at me anymore because and when he can make a ton of one, not a borrow, he was all this thing. Can look at me anymore.
But before Ghana alone, before Ghana alone, I actually give the interest. It chain not the too much, you gave me accept an hour the loan. So how do you think you got put you before? Because you were uche gị gwara gị na ị ga-akwụ dị ụgwọ. So can you tell you what the guy is akwụwa dị ụgwọ?
Ahịa anọgazi ihe ka otu nchi nọrọ before ya onye mere ya bụ na ahịa na-adị this my sister na-agakarị check-up nke ebere ọkpa so the thing nọ m na ihe niile wụcha mụwa so ọ ya ije m aga m emit ọbọchị interest ahụ enye gị mụ dị too much.
Yes, we know her. Yes, she's part of us.
Uncle, what about your family numbers?
Yes.
Our numbers called members.
How to eat the members?
Okay.
All type of autocorrect. I say na one day I made surgery too.
Oh, that one 90 baking tin. I couldn't. Oh, that one 90 baking.
One day you made surgery last year, right?
I won't guys on the baking things.
No, not that one.
No,
I know that's what you're thinking. I couldn't. It's not that one.
Okay.
But then they're gonna go get you. They're gonna go get you.
Let me see what else to tell you.
Nkem ji wee ru dị ha eru ezi 50,000 uru ha eru 50 oru ha eru kwali ihe m na ha wụ 200 akwụla nke abalị nkwụrụ ha 41,130 so and ahịa anọghị ahụ steady
and then you gotta akwụ every month.
Yes, because onye nji anyị ga ka nkwụcha ha ka nwere onwe m.
But it's true, I don't know about ego, so that I will touch it. You got one case.
So, coach, I got me borrow hozo, and when me came, one me again, because me borrow, and when me came out to on your actually help more. Oh, you maga, you all not Nigeria here, so the man already done well.
I do go to the surrender now because.
Again, I go school for you.
For UST.
They be UST.
Oh, University of Port Harcourt.
Na Port Harcourt awolati.
Biabozozo. No they insult my darling here. Bozozo. Then when they send they are giving you evidence.
Bozozo. Tatashi said you should bring her up. She needs to give
okay.
Oh yeah.
That can't get one on Kakane, everybody will
down. 001.
No, Amamia. Finish her.
Junior, carry ya.
You on a stool there, so you can start.
Junior, couple only on a comment affair.
Okay.
May I say an noisy place? I don't know my sister. I don't know my sister.
Studio in a noisy place, but I can't handle
I came up for destruction.
That's why I'm here. I can destroy.
You never see anything.
That's why I'm here.
Put my weight to dog.
I don't go take your time or.
So that I'm last
Peter.
I
gave me you na do go live. Malagwa Adugo enjoy you.
Tell him.
I enjoy him. My people.
I don't got that into the other. One Adobe. That's all call me.
Udo.
So I do go on and can be over.
Thank you, Peter.
I do people can pay life Bozo Saga. And you didn't got very hot. Name me arrange.
Okay.
The kids go side them.
My profile picture again can't.
Profile picture. 300 and okay. My sister. Okay. Yes, okay, of course. Let's my mother. Nga na open na aga-abịazi aga-akpọfu na TikTok ma nga na open.
Ghana open. The short or you okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
The side maybe I hate you go. I can go take it there. Let's stop because she can protect the investment.
That's the one is good.
Kate.
That's the one is good. Can't get him in my Kate.
Buzuzu. Kate, nobody goes to this man. Who goes to that man? Nobody goes to man. Now you make pictures up here. Nobody goes there.
Osi na kife se onye ga stone nuto onwe gị akata. Osi na kife se nwanne gị wine from Enugu happened na Anambra.
It is me face now.
Christy, damn you.
It is me face.
Damn you. Chineke Pogoku. Damn you. Chineke Pogoku Buzuzu.
It is me face.
That's why you abandoned by
Akata Germany. Please.
That's why mom is in a bad home.
Christopher Spispian.
See, none of you study pronounce my name.
Christmas.
I don't pronounce my name. Imagine in the America. You got no Steve. Christopher.
Cristo.
Yeah, or Roselle de Pope. Cynthia.
Not be Roselle, Cynthia Chinyere.
Oh, Chinyere.
That's a man of that one.
Why not, Saba? K1? Okay.
I did.
I think so, Mark. Cynthia, the day a while. It was set in the 2026. Abana speed. I won't pass 2026, so I don't think I'm more than 4 years old. Abana speed. But I do go. Why are you going into coffee mood now? I was supporting you on the comment section. Now I don't reach my turn. You go coffee mood.
I did.
Okay. I need backup.
Yeah, I did.
Akunle, no go better for you. Akunle, I say no go better for you.
Christopher, that's what I do.
Are they shocked saying you can't coffee? Shege Abanza.
I'm a family problem.
Okay.
Mama,
why are you calling my name since? Why were you calling my name?
Nenini.
No, I just an example and then
Example, Baragi Pom Nishi.
It was on you no go. It didn't
okay, Chike Hamaka. Chike Hamaka. Chike Hamaka.
Hollandis in the US. Yesterday, I Basaga sister na do go to US by fire by force.
In no I'll still look him.
Okay, I do got to get him.
Like they do the
evidence no kwa.
Adu give New York about Texas. So we are there.
These people will let money more than
Papa get change ya give New York adu ga Texas.
Hey, Jesus, they will let money more than Apple. As I do go na stone to get US by fire by force.
You never see anything I do go.
They never see nothing. Hey, very good.
What is she? Don't bring what I am.
At all.
Well, there's no name like the name.
At all. Nothing. Cynthia, nka Igbo go see at all.
What will happen? And let her screen record it and send you. Buza?
I do go to them.
Okay.
Transaction date. Sita iti nuke kowara ni iti na na iki magana kowara ni ke unka.
17th 2 days ago.
17 days ago now.
Okay. I wish yes, you call the man. Yes.
2 days ago ke na radio ganra.
I'm not request for the money now. How long were you given to pay back?
Go back. I tried was in 2 days.
I need a more 6 months.
6 months.
Nah, I don't understand though.
But you were in April 40 something or 100.
Yes,
41,000 something yesterday.
No, my wait, Kankuna, not measuring Kaho.
Cynthia,
I'm go singing Kaho. I'm go singing a can't just root to
Cherish.
Yes, sir.
Go sign the vending open and try again. Go sign the in alone now. Go sign the any that you should do war. When I hear like all the play. 17 in Ghana, 17 in the old man to take you.
Nke kwuru nke ochie m just ji aga ahịa ga zụrụta ahịa ọ ka ahụ ka m kwuru nke m rechara ahịa no, I'm not because I won't money when you came here, you're crying and you were like, it's matter of next month, that next month really next month.
No, we have given you back now. 200,000 we go shop. And we work 50-something-thousand day before
yesterday. Also, you give 40 something.
Can go see, can we should get some more still na balo.
And we
but 1,000
Come back to before we could do too.
I do go stay here.
BRB wouldn't.
Okay, for the 1,030, yes.
Or 18 yesterday.
Yesterday night.
Oh, since I came out, Cherish.
Sir?
Each of you now, every should be 200,000 now.
Buzuzu. Calm down. Let me wait. Cynthia, wait. I work with financial firm. Wait. Cherish. Let me explain what you did. You were a loan from OPay before.
So nke ahụ ekwuchabe ya ịnara ọzọ ha nye gị nke ahụ. Then nke ahụ iji before ka ha na-achụgharị gị ka ị nwee ike kwụcha. Ya wụrụ nke ị nara gị day before yesterday, better ịchụ gị by now because you have 30 days. 30 days to repay your loan when you collect.
Oh my God, no, Mark! Who be this?
So it's not possible.
Jesus.
It's
all my boss, Bosu. My boss, so my chairman.
So you question in a loan 2 days ago, and you're making so already. It's not possible. I also give her loan. That is not how loan operates. This shows that you are owing before, and once you are owing before, they will not let you be. Or can hit before. This repayment in Mere was the old one you are owing, not for this recent one you borrowed 2 days ago.
But where is the evidence
this
of
is the old one repayment?
So where is the evidence of the one that you borrowed before? Let's be transparent here.
Iji pay loan before due to ihe sigere gike another extra one. So always the old one but for you to come up and say na already for loan in 2 days ago, they gave you space of 6 months to pay.
But then when you were in the but if you should present a coach, this cannot suspect again.
But why would you present the way? Even the previous one she borrowed, she has let her bring evidence of it. Let's be transparent.
And when you can do a big cooking one in a bank, and when you can eat you walk, you put a that one and you got another
everybody will keep on money
point.
Let's be transparent.
Okay.
Money point can do it. If you are their customer and you are using their account steady,
what ihe m chọrọ ka Cynthia gosigo dị mma. Ghana app gị ga-egote ego ole iji Mama aka nọmba gị ka m sendere m ọbịa m ka m butuo gị.
Ka m na anyị si mmenụ.
Mba bụ nwere kwa aka nọmba gị. Mana m na-agwa gị mbọsị
the money for next time. Just try and
everybody. Oh, and when they now they go against no, but my own is that when you are dealing with public, you make your story straight so that it will not be ego may be small for them. Now somebody want to give it to you at free will without contribution, but we'll never know
I can check here.
Account number
8181.
First send the on your go.
I open can get here. Oh, account number can Bogano.
81
068 30 821
8106 83 0821. Oh, baby.
Yes, I got is in the 180 881 068 81068
30 821 821.
Sorry.
Omegamiosis.
Gbara the account. Gbara the account. Why do I not need to work with emotion? Gbara the account.
881 068 30 821 it's 30 821 open one area is in there. Nice.
Listen to go there. Not a comment section. They can about movement. Oh, comment section. I'm telling you. I love you blocking when I'm on him to leave it again. If you have a bad check, but he presents the Madina public. It's already to us make sure that second water. I don't get 50 times. Give way 50 times.
Yeah.
Oh, we very bad in yours. I don't say that you all mommy go show you to give mommy love now. What the heck on it back? So when they got came back and told
me, mommy, you know, mother, don't worry. Mommy, I'm a good thing. I drop a mama. You could only from help. I be a good tell you my screen. Okay.
In a good ice cream.
Bye for a bed, I don't know. Oh, she don't label.
I'm a inside email, no, so you can
I make and the edge and women must saw the Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Kekunume.
I didn't.
And the mum. Yes, I can be.
Oh, whatever you don't need that shine, you know, but no way can I shine.
From money fenage.
Sorry. But where we are,
I know. Oh, Diego, we thank God. I can.
All got successful.
All got successful yesterday, yeah.
Sorry, well.
Yeah. But Bura BBL or rectal dystocia. Yana Hyonia.
Ndị ma ha nọkwa ebe a bụrụ anya ka ekwe nke were 30 ya. Ndị ma ha nọkwa ebe a ndị ma ha ekwe nke nka.
Rectal dystocia bụ imugide nwa mụsịa nwa afọ gị. Walls afọ gị agbaji a break here, so I went to repair it. Yana Hyonia enwebu ma Hyonia akpụ otubo. Yeah. So what was the opportunity? Measure both of them.
God's favorite, not like this now.
Yeah, God's favorite, yes. Rectal dystosis, yeah.
So you say, yeah.
We thank God. I am a child. Yeah.
In other words, mommy makeover.
In other yes, so Kappa repair good in the apple.
English, no, where I
yeah, okay, you don't know Igbo.
I call it English, don't know where.
Every time when they make gym, we charge gym after me day sick. Where's the kiddly nonsense?
Come back to a bye.
Okay, what you want, man? I've been saying no financial.
Yeah, no fine.
Machi.
Yes.
The financial came on here.
This is half marker. This is half marker.
What you get financial on here? Oh, this is all selling on financial.
We thank God. Thank you.
Or microfinance came on here.
Bamba, not a microfinance.
Or Umuchuchi Community Bank, or I came on here.
Our Umudi village, Umudi Community Bank.
Have a lovely Friday.
You too.
Christopher, thank you. Thank you. Congratulations. It's not easy. Were you under local anesthesia? That's good. Did they use local anesthesia?
Yeah. But more last born the 14 years old.
Hold on. Were you into full anesthesia? Oh my gosh.
Yes, I was. Yeah. I had hydromorphine, so that's why I feel good.
How much you want me to donate for you now? How much you want me to donate for? How much you want me to donate for you?
Ice cream.
How much now?
How much you need? We get as a mama for comment section.
Mommy,
ice cream.
Fit more.
But you check your also done.
Okay, fit more.
Tama igwa ho need the email Tama. Or give me guys.
Oh, Tama. This man I why you surrounding yourself with internal
Kelly J with eyeglasses. Old age they so woo. So see no Tama, or see Tama. Kelly blame Romy or Monatama. Monatama bo one.
Even the name, what about the name? Is the name Tama?
Before you're going to work. What gives you his aura?
You know what? I'm not sleeping, man. I'm at work.
Go retirement now.
Bozozo advice only come to good though. Because ma bịakwa ka ọ nọ tụọrọ unu ma ego ka m resign
that's for your problem. I will just send the
Kelly, ị ga-asị na ị ga-abịa ka atụọ gị ego ka ije mee LASIK eye surgery. Idebezi eye glass.
Nwaanyị ọma ihe ndị a free na Germany na ị need ọma ịkwụ ụgwọ.
Okay. Wow.
Fit more.
You got to come up with a strong.
Ị na-aṅụzi mkpụrụ ọgwụ na
ana m aṅụkwa mkpụrụ ọgwụ ọbọkwa nke ọbịa.
Anyị gwakwa ndị mkpụrụ mmiri bịa saịdị nọ nkịta nga na-ezurukwa ọgwụ gị maka ị ga na-enwecha ọgwụ kara aka.
Yes, sir. 100%.
Onye koko.
Thank you, Miss Fanny, my baby. I hear say you could do saga since I did sleep. Wait till push you to that.
Nah, lie. No mind anybody. I don't do anything. Okay. Me and my sister just.
Okay, my mommy.
I just introduced myself to my sister Cynthia.
That's all.
Before I continue, we complain because maka oge ọ ya ebido ka mmadụ hapụkwa ise na mekwu ha ọwụ bido. Nna mụ na aka ji akọ na Akunne nọkwa na-eme argument about your story o. Etu anyị si adị emewe argument steady. Ụtọ nwa gbagotakwa. Bịa bido ịgba m saga ọ sịkwa m na mpa m ya anwụ na eya egbu m. N'ịkpatụ na-egbuchawa m egbu. Nna Bozozo mmụd onweghị ihe nwa na-akọghọwụ m today. Ọgwọ because oge nkwatanyekwara ya ka m hapụkwa ịfụkwa onye ya bịa sị m Kelly ya pụwa o. Na mjikwa na-agba estaga.
You do a tongue. What do you do?
You can't say no. Say Kelly.
Don't start. Kelly the last one to make us.
Okay.
Bozozo you get whip on and car because Kelly si na ụtọ nwa nwa ọ ga-agụsị fit mom. Oh, he heard from you, okay? Akunne.
She get record the bozo. Kelly anọ na the life. Kelly si na etu kidnap ya na egbu ya na etinye ị ga-akpọ ihe champagne na ṅụọ. Anọ na the life.
Jeje Akunne ọkwa ọgụnwa na na-ekwugharị okwu dimension. Ọ dụkwa ka ị na-arịa dimension Akunne.
Oh, the best now.
I couldn't mention.
Fit mom, are you okay? Na Kelly me to go. Come on, them Kagari Mama, normal procedure, normal check up. I do come them.
Okay, now.
Only the ice cream.
Okay, normal check up.
Baby not Ontario right now. Baby on ever. Onye ọ na-akọpụkwara m because oge nsogbu ebidokwa ịbịakwa hie kọrọ bish mụ na ga-enwe nsogbu Okay, sir. Fit mom, Madam Adan, Salom, are you okay? You're better, right?
Yes, I'm okay. Yes, I'm better. Yesterday I met sorry, so I'm good. Yeah.
Thank God. I cannot do it.
Amen.
I'm so happy, baby. I'm late. I'm going to pop up. Yeah.
My mom na cry. That's my last one. They had 14 years. No need to grow my ball.
Are you serious?
This guy. Oh, what I get like this? Duka bozozo. And I know.
Okay. Bia onye na-achị nyere ya 10,000.
Buzu le mo mege na aju ge. Buzu.
Adugo. Onye na-achị nyere kita nya 10,000 coins. On a life, kita mbadara ani. Ihe nke a na-ebi.
Mbadara. Aku na sigi we gifters. When the frugi na anya, so I want to kakara ge mama.
Dama ka shawty na okay.
Imagine there was one time Chinyere get platform here to lover boys and lover girls. Do you remember?
I'm telling you. Yeah.
One deal clicking. So
I do go. Nobody goes this. I couldn't happen this man.
Or fucked up man.
Nah, I don't block him. I call yeah.
Fucked up.
Anybody? I do go. My next, they're all Luchi. But I do go. My next I get to Luchi. I told me destroy this game.
Destroy. No problem. Me better. Come and say, I want wine and Louis and Woko because happy for me.
Ogo.
I'm cheating a lot. I can't see. Immediately because of that.
You have my support to the Kuli Oluchi.
They are from
okay. Okay. I do go. Come back to me per life. Just 1 minute.
For my sake.
I
which one again? On case you have a one,
wow. When I put me a Chinyere for big scream, I beg.
Put me.
Two for big scream, I beg. I go come to the wrong.
Yeah, moderators. ASAP.
Buzuzu, trying na big scream because come kill ya.
The way Buzuzu put me a seat here for big screen, that now. Buzuzu, the way Kwezu.
It's the way Kwezu. Oh, my moderator now. Oh, mo.
Bestie, you don't do that thing. Bestie.
I go follow and listen for the other side. Wait, I forget. I go follow and listen. No worry. I got you anytime, any day. I go follow and listen. I got you. No worries.
Nobody, because that's not the one. I'm not going to so.
People are getting out of there.
Me to go. Me a gonna be.
Aka. Nurse bia TSA Oguna IV.
No, like I'm not getting out.
Oh, sorry. Big mom, sorry. Sorry.
Oh, no.
Sorry,
I'm not getting out.
Dibu jebe ije gote Tim Hot, o ji ije gote coffee nan.
Minia.
Alụ ọkwa m ike m nne amụsị m ụmụaka m niile afọ m gbajisi agbaji Chinyere nne m eji Chineke arịọ gozuo recti I'm fine, Chief. Okay, wait now.
Don't pronounce me. No need. Don't worry.
Chekan kawaligia so people to unu say one more zulafo. Na more zulafo ọ na-adịka V shape, right? So abịa na n'afọ nke otu a ọ go otu a nke a go otu a ọ gbadazi adịka V. So nke mụnwa bịa n'etiti otu a tiwa. So the muscle separate, yes. So the apụtazi doctor wetazi afa na abụ kwakọọ ya together. Mepele okpuru afọ m otu incision n'okpuru afọ m wee banye wee jeze wee weta the muscle kwakọzie ya together dozie my hernia. Wetagotieze mesh na ebe akpa otubo m dị ka akpa otubo m a wee pimina n'ime. So yeah.
But before you make on a full
no, that for more for more boy choosing dozier. Because then gym after my day sick.
To get your 6 pack.
The muscles are not
actually the muscles of the stomach are firm.
Before they get your 6 pack, if you want foundation, you get doing with the 6 pack now.
Exactly. Foundation.
I do give a corner my
okay, from Madi Wego, onye katofia o better problem man catching a locker me here with that distance man
get na fare ga la si so le ga na mo mo le ko me le
Aluchi igeme Aluchi na do na ge mere wrestling distriction Aluchi na do
no fuka for lanye now so I
wouldn't try mere style distriction
my muscles are very strong.
Okay.
So
if we ready one red tie distriction
I gave birth. No, my
yes,
not
yes. Yes. Ọ na-adị advisable ịmụsịa nwa gị niile wee mezie.
So it does not collapse again.
Yes. Because it will collapse again.
It might collapse again after another child.
Adugo.
Yes.
Come break here and Casara now what there. Sir, on I didn't I look at that, look, I'm going to leave or not. I'm not going to say you. Hi,
nobody again, give you with it.
I swear.
So, if I find you, can find you jello.
Take you jello.
Yeah, more jello now.
I'm jello.
Find them oatmeal, milli.
Jello.
Apple juice. Jello now. Jello.
Adugo Jello na.
Jello.
Adugo Jello na. Jello.
Lopez. Bozozo Jello.
In jelly form. If I give yogurt, let's say custard. Everything in liquid. Everything in liquid. The kangaroo. Yeah.
In liquid or jelly form. Because here with jelly, we hear the custard
yeah, for easy stool, yeah.
All they are soft as that jello cookita.
I can get jello.
Jello, oh no,
fruit with gelatin
all the flavor, you can have strawberry, you can have apple.
Orange.
Okay, yeah, orange juice now.
Orange jello. What I go?
Was not on your for air fish of money.
Orange is your family.
Orange is your family.
Gelatin or
no qua, but
So since you went to abroad, you know they eat English breakfast. Or not any okra soup every time na ice fish.
Thank you.
Yes,
everybody likes it.
Vitamin surgery. Yeah, you cannot consider the man. The man I'm magazine.
Hey, Bozo. Bozo, let the grab a conversation. You didn't want it. Talk.
Thank you, Ghana. Apụkwalụ na mbozozu na ọ ka na-amụta very soon ọ ga-amụtasị.
Somebody here one day. Jello.
Exactly.
So, Fit Mom, how long are you going to be here?
The surgery n'ụtụtụ nyaa by 10 a.m. So m ga-anaba by the end of today.
Inyola
Fajụkwa m na m anyụgo ahụ ka isi ma lọ ife fajụ m sịkwa na m anyụbekwala ahụ. Ma mmele ka m na-anyụ ahụ.
Chọrọ gị bụ isi.
Kwesịrị ahụ before that.
Na kwesịrị ịnyụ ahụ mọ.
Yeah. Maybe before the end of today.
I hope so. Eliro m anything nyaa now. So amara m ebe nsị a ga-esi pụta.
Gịnị nwanne nyaa?
Mana ha gbaga gị drip na drip.
Nwanne nyaa ahụ nke nri nwanne nyaa anyụpụ m ya n'ụtụtụ nyaa before the
surgery. Oh, okay.
So enwere m anything n'afọ.
You feel so there's something there.
Easy. Nke a bụ ife a bụ ife izizi m na-eli sense. Yeah.
Fit Mom, you don't really need to stool. A fat is enough to check you out. To stool.
That's what they need, yes.
Fat is enough. Just the gas is enough. Just fat is enough. You don't really need the stooling.
Okay.
Zuzu, this family you not go work today. They don't sack you.
Tata off day.
I'm with a public holiday today.
Okay.
What are you for observing?
Midsummer.
Okay.
That's good. At least after my hill, Susie, I can have those
Yeah. So you share what you observing? You say. Get out of goodness. What I'm you say that now was rather the work of the family number. I'm going to get that, Sarah. Either you marry or war.
Oh, I say, I don't know.
Or either you marry Sarah or war.
I don't know.
Buzuzu, you don't draw those one in every way they say go and marry.
Nada, marry me. You got my wife, or who got marry?
So
marry me.
My wife before, so something happened, they can't separate.
I do when I was going that mood, I wish I women I didn't move there.
Yeah, neck put though, it pay autumn badger immigration, you bias.
Never say anything. Never say anything about Lucy. Don't do my so G done.
The Aluchi.
I see, Takashi. Yeah, now only my bestie, I don't tell what happened yesterday. I beg, see, may they not push word come up from my mouth.
Yesterday.
I don't tell you. If I say, what make we take her from this Buzuzu platform?
Now you
make me want to come up for that group. I will come up, make I share to Charlie first.
Charlie, this is so to Mpechiri.
Yeah, she know where.
I took all of this.
Papi, 1 minute. Bozozo, anything in that place.
Okay, don't go.
They resolve that one. They resolve it.
I don't resolve them.
Buzuzu, Gerard go Sorum. As from today.
Gerard go Sorum na papi. Gerard go Sora anya kuwaganya.
Oye meta do aka.
I was in national treasure. I swear, that treasure.
Listen, you are going to Sweden.
When I do go Sorum na papi.